Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Shopify with Salesforce at 2026. So what this integration can do. When Shopify and Salesforce are connected, the products and inventory kept in sync, the buy directional or one-way sync depending on the tool between them, and you can, by doing that, automate marketing and sales workflows and sales force, okay, and you can create rich customers, okay. So to integrate Salesforce to Shopify, you will need at first to go to the settings, the option that's located on the left hand menu. It's the last one. Click it, and after that just go and click on the apps, and after that go and click on Shopify App Store. So right here on the search bar, I want you to click it and type CRM perks Salesforce sync. Okay, so just click on that option and then click on install. Alright, so then just confirm with install again. And right here after that, you will need just to configure your Salesforce. So you will need to set up your Salesforce feeds, Salesforce log account, manually sync, billing support. Okay, so you'll need to set it all up. And actually, you should know that this is a third-party tool. Okay, so you can use another one like the eShop sync. Okay, so that's one, and install it just as we did with that one, and that's where you integrate the Salesforce with Shopify. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.